Hello students, welcome back to English class. Today we will be talking about jobs. At the end of last class, we talked about how some students' parents are doctors, and some are lawyers, and some are chefs. And today we are going to talk a little bit more about those different jobs and a few other jobs. So if everybody could open their textbook to page 14, looks just like this. We're going to do a few exercises. So this first exercise is matching. We're going to match each one of these pictures to each one of these jobs over here. So let's do the first one together. First one says teacher. Which box shows a teacher? That's right, box number 2 shows a teacher. So you're going to do the same thing for the rest of these, and then you are also going to do the same thing for places and also for things that they do. All right, when everybody is done, just put your pencils down and we'll go over the answers. Okay, it looks like everybody has finished, so let's go over the answers. Who can tell me which box shows a doctor? That's right, box number 1 shows a doctor. Great job. And who can tell me which box shows a police officer? That's right, box number 3 shows a police officer. Great job. And who can tell me what box is a pilot? That's right, box number 4 shows a pilot. Great job. Now, does anybody know any pilots or teachers or police officers or doctors? Oh, you go to the doctor every year? Great job. And when you're sick? Great job. So let's move on to the next questions. So who can tell me the box that shows a hospital? That's right, box number 1 right here shows a hospital. Now, who works at the hospital? That's right, a doctor works at the hospital. Great job. Now, who can tell me which box shows a police station? That's right, box number 2 right here shows a police station. And who works at that police station? That's right, police officers. Great job. Now, who can tell me the box number showing a school? That's right, box number 4 right here. Great job. Now, who works at a school? Great job, that's right, a teacher works at a school, just like me. And who can tell me what box is the airport in? That's right, box number 3 has the airport. And who works at an airport? That's right, a pilot works at the airport. Great job, students. Let's do this last example down here. Which box shows flies planes? That's right, box number 4 shows flies planes. And who flies planes? Pilot, that's right, great job. Now let's see, who helps sick people? That's right, box number 1 shows who helps sick people. And who does help sick people? That's right, your doctor helps sick people. And who can show me the box that shows teaches students? That's right, box number 2 teaches students. I am teaching the students. And who can show me the box showing catches thieves? That's right, box number 3 is catches thieves. And who catches thieves? Police officers do. That's very correct. Great job, students. We're going to move on to do a language practice. We're going to do sentences. So we are going to match the questions with the answers. Let's do the first one together. So the answer that they give us is, she's a vet. And the questions, which question would match she's a vet? Great job, that's right. What is her job? What is her job? She's a vet. Great job, students. Now who can answer this next one? The answer says he's a scientist. So which one of these questions answers he's a scientist? That's right. What is he? He's a scientist. So you will do exercise B, exercise C, and exercise D on your own. Now exercise D, you get to pick whatever job you want. Does anybody have any questions? All right, when you're done, put your pencils down and we'll go over the answers. Okay, it looks like everybody is finished. So let's go over the answers to B. This first one, the question, what does a baker do? That's right, he bakes bread. A baker bakes bread. This next one, what does a chef do? That's right, a chef makes food in a restaurant. Great job, great job. So let's go over the next one. The answer says, I work in a fire station. I am a firefighter. That's right. Where do you work is the question. Where do you work? I work at the fire station. I am a firefighter. Great job. And this next one, the answer says, she works at the supermarket. And what is the question? That's right. Where does the cashier work? She works in the supermarket. Great job, great job. Now, who wants to answer this one? So what is the question? Where do you want to work? Great job. Now, where do you want to work? I want to work in a restaurant. Great job. Now, can you answer the next one? Right, so what is the question? What do you want to be? Well, what do you want to be? I want to be a chef. Great job, students. Great job. We're going to move on to the next activity. If you turn to page 18, you're going to look at this picture. I want you to take a look at this picture and write down any words that you might see or think of when you see this picture. Take a few minutes right now. All right, I see everybody has written down a few words. What have you written down? That's great. He is with a hat, and this is an oven. Great job, great job. Now we're going to work in pairs. That's 2 people, and each pair is going to answer these questions, or one question. So you will answer, what is his job? You 2 will answer, where does he work? You 2 will answer, what does he do? You 2 will answer, what things can you see in the picture? And you 2 will answer, what is he making in the picture? All right, I'll give you a few minutes to talk with your neighbor about that, and we'll go over the answers. Okay, it looks like everybody is finished. So, what is his job? That's right, he is a baker. Great job. And where does he work? That's right, he works in a bakery. Great job. And what does he do? That's right, he bakes food. And what things do you see in the picture? Let's take a look. That's right, we said the oven and the hat. And it looks like bread. That's right, great job. And what else do you see? That's right. It looks like a rack. Let's say cooling rack to cool the bread. Great job, students. Great job. And the last question. What is he making in the picture? Yep, that's right. We just said it. He is making bread. Great job. And we're going to move on to the last activity of the day. And it's on the next page. This is a picture showing what students want to be. This shows different jobs that students want to be, and each job has their own part of the circle. So for example, this little piece right here is very small. It's where the teachers, that's how many people, how many kids want to be teachers. It's 3%. Now I'm going to have you work together and have each other describe this chart right here. And then after you're done doing that, you're going to answer these 2 questions and we will go over it. Okay, it looks like everybody is done. Does anybody have any questions about this chart? Does everybody understand? So what does the red, or what does the blue right here, this light blue show? That's right, great job, bakers, great job. Now who can tell me which job is the most popular? That's right, the pilot is the most popular because there is the most amount in the circle. And which job is the least popular? That's right, that's right. It is the scientist, the pink ones. It's very, very small. Only 2% wanted to be scientists. Great job today, students. I hope that you have a great evening.